Hey guys, Stephen Hamby here with Pro PDR of Georgia. Today we're going to bring you a repair that we did on a ZL1 Camaro. I got my assistant with me right here, cracking us all up. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoy this repair, and appreciate you taking time to watch this video.
When doing a damage assessment on a Camaro, one of the first places I look is across this body line that goes from the door back into the quarter panel. Unfortunately, this area is a dent magnet, so if you have a Camaro or plan on purchasing one, that's something you'll want to keep in mind. To gain access to the back side of the panel, first we'll insert our protective cover so that we will not damage the window glass in the process of the repair. Then we will wedge the gap open enough to be able to insert our paintless dent repair tools down inside the door and begin shaping the metal back out from the inside. We'll set up our light to gauge us during the repair, and we'll go ahead and get right on the back side of the body line, and using gentle pressure we'll slowly massage the dent back out. For the sake of time, we've sped up the recording to about 2 times the normal speed. But generally speaking, a typical door ding like this, depending on the location, can be repaired in about the time it would take you to get an oil change. The convenience of a mobile paintless dent repair service is unsurpassed. Not only that, but a highly skilled and trained paintless dent repair technician can not only remove small dings, but do large dent removal as well, bringing it to a quality level that exceeds what one could expect to find using traditional paint and body methods. Okay guys, so at this point we've pretty much wrapped it up. Looks great. I appreciate you taking the time to check us out. If you have any questions or comments, you can post them in the thread below. If you would like to get in touch with us about having a dent repaired on your vehicle, you can give us a call at 678-544-3004. You can shoot us an email at propdrofga@gmail.com, or you can click the link in the description below to go to our website, dentrepairgeorgia.com.